are my helpers today. And he is Haju and she is Harin. Today we'll be doing page number 5. It has long and short lines. And we'll do 3 ways. First one is clapping.
Okay.
Number 2, we'll stamp and clap.
Okay.
Number 3, we'll be doing plucking on a violin. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you guys ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's have the clapping ready.
Yeah.
Yellow line. Look at the yellow line. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Long, long, short, short, long. Short, 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 long, long. Short, 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 long. Very good. Now, number 2 is we stamp for the long and short, short will be clapping. Ready? That's okay. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's have a look. Yellow line, long and short. Ready? 2, 3, go. Stamp, stamp, short, short, long. Short, 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 long, long. Short, 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 long. Oh, I think we can do better than that. Did you do well? We'll do one more time. Long with stamping feet, short with clapping. Are you ready, Harin? Okay, are you ready, Haju?
Yeah.
Ready? 2, 3, go. Long, long. Oops. We try again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Long, long, short, short, long. Short, 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 long, long. Short, 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 long. Yay! Now, number 3 was what? Violin. We're going to be doing plucking. Now, okay, grab your violin. So what we need to do is, Haju, we need to make sure that our head is straight. Violin on the side. That's it. And then plucking ready on the yellow string. Same, your hand needs to be nice and round and looking. And violin on the side, good. And yellow plucking ready. Good. Freeze, and mommy will get ready too. Ready? You ready?
Yes.
Set it up. Good. So hands straight, violin straight, good. Stay up. Thumb on the corner, good. Ready? 2, 3, 4. Long, long, short, short, long. Short, 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 long, long. Short, 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 long. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Did you get it? And this is how you can practice all of the colors
Yeah.
on page 5.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's a long and short. And I hope you enjoy this page 5 and then make a video of it and send it to me. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.